I really, really like the case studies. It actually has broadened my perspective about some of the work that I'm doing,
Hmm.
and it will be incorporating more case studies. Um, and I think it's because you take the theoretical content and put it in practice. You know, you got to practice it.
Hmm.
And that's how people learn is through practicing. So I really like the case studies a lot.
Okay. Um, what did we do well in the learning environment, the learning design area, facilitation, things like that? What worked well? What could have worked better?
I liked that there was a specific structure, meaning pretty much most sessions we started off with some kind of icebreaker, and then we went into the content, um, and then we did a closeout. So I got comfortable with this is the flow. This is what we're going to do. So I like that. Um, I like the way you and um, Kimberly went back and forth. You know, I like the way you all engaged, just very naturally facilitated the conversation. So I thought that went well. Um, I have a mixed thought around number of participants. On the one
Okay.
hand, the smaller group was interesting because everyone could have a chance to really share
Yep.
without feeling rushed. And at the same time, it would have been interesting to hear more perspectives. So I think had we had more people, it might have broadened lived experiences or lived perspectives or something along those lines. So I'm sort of sitting right in the middle of that. It's
Mm.
not a positive, it's not a negative. It just, you know, it just is.
Hmm.
Um, I like the fact that we had all of the content in one email, meaning here's the course outline, here's all the content that you need, so that we could go to that and refer. Like I just pinned that in my email so I could just easily reference that material. So I liked all that.
Good.
Um, I'm not just trying to be uh, nice, but there's nothing that comes to mind that I think I would adjust. Like if I were running it, I don't think that there's anything that I would adjust. I love the flexibility that we had, and in terms of, well, you can't be there, so let's put it off a week. I like that because I also had to, ask for it to put it off because I of my commitment. So
Right.
the good thing about it being a small group, we were able to do that without really impacting, a lot of people. So that I like.